What's up? Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. Here we try to help kids fall in love with reading, and we do it by talking about awesome books. Today we're going to open up some Kidlit book mail packages. I'm actually heading on vacation today, so I was going to wait until I got back for this video. But what if I find like a book that I have to read on vacation? It's my vacation reading pile right there. I can't forget to pack that. Oh, I forget this. We got this in the mail. Summer of the Babysitter Club. So we have to open this because you're going to want to know what's in this, right? Let's see, looks like we open it right here. I mean, who doesn't love the Babysitter Club graphic novels? So I'm trying to see what's in here. All right, we're kind of already ruining the package. Not good. Off to a rough start to this video. Sorry, folks. Here we go. Got a letter. Very exciting. We have Babysitter Club sunglasses. Join the club. With all these awesome pins. Oh my gosh, my 5th graders are going to love it. How you can join the club, whatever that means. Very exciting. And 2 books! Number 8 in Babysitter Club Little Sisters. Number 15 in the actual series. Very exciting. Thank you, Scholastic. Thank you, Graphics Imprint. Very exciting. All right, this is sent from an publisher, not a publisher, a publicist. Very exciting. Fancy. Fancy. All right, let's open it up. Let's see what we have. We have all of these things. Look at this. It's like a butterfly or a bat or something. I don't know. We got this. We got this fun pen. This is very exclusive. Something else in there, maybe? Nope. Oh, that's my knife. I think this is the book. Yeah, it says, Dear Colby, thanks for all you do and all the ways you champion children's families reading. I'm grateful forever. Sally. Thanks, Sally. I can't wait to read your book. Invisible Isabel. It looks like it's a novel in verse. Love me a good novel in verse. Invisible Isabel. Being seen is harder than it seems. Can't wait to read it. I'll definitely read it. Oh, I know this packages. So, I am writing an educator guide for Penguin, the publisher, on this amazing book. And then Boom, which I read and loved. It's a novel in verse from Lisa Phipps. I also then read it aloud to my 5th grader, so I'm really excited to come up with some activities and some discussion questions and that. And they sent me, they asked me if I would do it. And I said, yes, but you have to send me a giant thing of books. So I'll be giving these books off out in my newsletter, which you can subscribe to in the description, and on Instagram and different places. So I'm going to be giving away, they sent me 10 books. I'll probably keep one for my classroom, give one to my teaching partner, and then over the next several weeks, give away 8 copies, which would be really, really fun. Always fun to give away books, especially when you don't have to pay for them. All right, we have 2 more boxes. Let's see if we can find something amazing. Off to a great start so far. Here we go. Open it up. Bunch of books over here. Let's see what we've got. Starting off with A Greater Goal, The Epic Battle for Equal Pay in Women's Soccer and Beyond. That sounds like an amazing nonfiction book. Dead Good Detectives. That looks fun. Sunrise Nights. Ooh. This is going in the pile. I always try to read like a young adult book on vacation because they're a little bit longer. So this is definitely going in the pile. Yes. Pile just changed. Oh, and look at that. Got one from the publisher. Got one from the publicist. Very exciting. I already talked about that one. Dante Plays His Blues. This looks awesome. This looks so cool. Let's go. Friends, this is so exciting. The Big Squeeze. It's one of those little sponges. Very fun. And then a couple of early readers. Sketty and Meatball. Oh, like spaghetti, I get it. Dot, the Ladybug. The Missing Dot. Very fun. All right, one more box. Let's see if we can do this. All right, gotta get on the plane here in a couple hours. This one's been in my stack for a while, and it's always been on the bottom of my stack, so I haven't opened it. So yay, we are finally opening it. It looks like there's a lot of books in here. All right, let's see what we've got. start with these chapter books. Bird Nerd. Oh, love the title. That looks interesting. Team Canteen, Rocky Road. Oh boy, a little high school fun. Library Girl, You Had Me at Library. Polly Horvath, didn't she like? Yeah, she went Newbery Honor. Everything on a Waffle. So, Just Until, that's a cool cover. This story, Burst with Heart. I love that cover. Sweetest Darkness. Dun, dun, dun. Drag and Rex, Sweet and Silly. Got a lot of early readers today. That's very exciting. All right. Plumber Pearl. Okay. One of my best friends is a plumber. I'm going to show them that. Graphs. I love graphs. The Smell of Wet Dog and Other Poems and Drawings. That sounds so fun. Always good to have some art poetry books. Sustainable Structures. 15 Eco-Curious Buildings Around the World. Oh, that sounds so fun. Exciting. There's That Sun Again. It just keeps coming back every single day. Love it. A Tree is a Community. That sounds great. All right, let's see what else we have. Kind of making a mess. Owl and Penguin here and there. Early reader day today. I love it. All right. Bye forever, I guess. Friends online, easy. Friends in real life, complicated. I love that cover. It looks like another maybe young adult book. Let's see, how old does it say? 8 to 12, middle grade. Check that out. The Donut Prince of New York. Curious. Okay, and what do we have here? Ooh, Laura Vaccaro Seeger. She makes amazing books. The Hidden Alphabet. What? What? Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. Did we do them all? We're gonna have this one too. Find Her. Looks great. So I found some awesome books. There's a couple more here. So I'll show you one more. I'll show you more if I read them, when I read them. All right. Listening to Trees. Anyways, I gotta go. I got a plane. Gotta read some books. Gotta pack those books. Add this book, Sunrise Nights. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome, fantastic day.